Hello everybody, I'm Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel. So if you love books, then make sure you subscribe and follow me on my social media. Today's video is about 7 new romance books that I got. Please note that all of these books are by Indian authors and I haven't read any of these books because I just got them and I wanted to show all of these books to you. The USP about these books is that none of these are typical boy meets girl, girl meets boy, they fall in love and live happily ever after dramas. Every book has a specific theme which is very interesting. Also, I requested all of these books from Srishti Publishers and they were kind enough to send all of these books to me for free. So a huge thanks to Srishti Publishers for giving so much of respect and love to a small YouTuber like me. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. Book number 1 is It Doesn't Hurt to Be Nice by Amisha Sethi. Now this is a motivational book that follows a 30-something woman named Kiara and she shares anecdotes from her life and what she learned from those life experiences, and that's how she teaches you some of the very important life lessons. So I am already reading this book and I am loving it because of the fact that it is not a preaching sort of self-help book. It's something that tells you about some anecdotes, tells you about some stories and then makes you learn through them. So yeah, this is a very good book and I'll probably review this book on this channel as well if you want me to. Book number 2 is Do Peg Ke Baad by Nikita Lalwani. So Do is basically 2 if you are not Indian, I must tell you. So this book is a collection of short stories and the stories have a specific theme, and that is that all of these stories, all of these things happen after people get drunk. So these are basically drunk stories, and the good thing about this book is it started as a blog where people from all over the world started coming up with their real life experiences about what happened when they got drunk. And I am a blogger myself, so I am pretty much excited to read a book which started as a blog. The next book is Promise Me a Million Times by Keshav Anil. Now this book has 2 characters, Charlie and Edwin. I'm sorry I'm laughing, I do not know why. So Charlie and Edwin moved to a big city to become actors. So why I picked up this book? Because this book has a character who wants to be an actor and I wanted to read a book which documented the struggles of a struggling actor. Quite repetitive, but yeah, so I thought why not start from a very subtle work of fiction. So this book is about their struggle, their friendship and their will to overcome all the problems of their life just with love. The next book is The Monsoon Murders by Karan Paramanandka. Now this book is a crime novel in which there is a police officer who is suspended at present and then he is given a case, privately of course, to investigate the murder of a very popular person in the Mumbai's finance circle. The story of the book is about how this guy overcomes his professional and personal struggles and obviously how he unravels this crime mystery if he does that in the book. The next book is I Still Think About You by Arpit Vagheria. Now this writer is a screenplay writer in Indian television industry, so expect a lot of drama from this book. And this book follows Aamir and Dhruv. Aamir is involved with a girl who is an investigative journalist and the book begins when she gets into some kind of trouble, and Dhruv is a very die-hard lover or whatever you call it, but the woman he loves, they just grow apart because of a misunderstanding. So the story begins there. So it's a story of love, brotherhood, passion and a lot of sad feelings like guilt and all that. The next book is You're My Best Wife by Ajay K. Pandey. Now this book is inspired from the real life story of the author. So it is based on the theme of how 2 people with very different ideologies come together, how they get married and then they just sort out every difference in their opinions, like how they learn to live together and love each other even when they have so many of different opinions. But right when they accomplish that perfect state, a very big tragedy hits them. And the reason why I picked up this book is because I have read a couple of books by Indian authors that just described what happened in their real life, but I love the books but I did not like how dramatic and how unrealistic they sounded, and that's why I was curious that what this new author would have written about. So I'm going to be very harsh if I read this book. Let's hope it turns out to be good. And the last book is Punk Sunk Love by Dhirendra Tiwari. Now this book follows 2 people who have a perfect life. They have love in their life, they have good career, they have money, but suddenly the things start going downhill and they start sinking in the oceans of sadness, and that's where the book begins. And this is eventually about how they figure out, you know, how to get out of this situation and how they can help each other to get out of this situation. So these are two guys, okay. I just wanted to mention that. Anyways, so these are the 7 books that I got from Srishti Publishers. I picked up all of these books from their huge catalog of books, and they publish really good books. I'm saying that because one of my favorite authors has been published by Srishti Publishers. If you can guess it, I'm not going to give away free books this time. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and do tell me which is the book which you want me to read first. I'm already reading It Doesn't Hurt to Be Nice, but tell me about the other books, and also let me know if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any kind of video requests, I'll be happy to take them and make videos about them. Till then, this is Manpreet signing off. Make sure you subscribe and hit thumbs up to this video, and also share this video. Bye bye. I'll be back with another video.